Yeah, first alert of the
The
night.
National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for
First alert.
Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is up to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jonesboro, Blytheville, Osceola, Truman, Gosnell, Manila, Marktree, Harrisburg, Bonil, Lake City, Litchville, Lepanto, Bay, Brookland, Monette, Caraway, Tyrenza, Kaiser, Weiner, and Joyner. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Craighead, Mississippi, and Poinsett. The current time is 5.
Flash flood warning for Searcy just came out. Right here.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Conway County in central Arkansas, Northern
running
Faulkner
quick.
County in central
There you go.
Arkansas, Central White County in central Arkansas, Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, Van Buren County in north central Arkansas, until 11 a.m. At 8:02 a.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Damascus. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have already fallen, with 2 inches of bad rain falling within the past hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Searcy, Heber Springs, Morrilton, Clinton, Fairfield Bay, Greenbrier, Bald Knob, Judsonia, Kensett, Greers Ferry, Worcester, Quitman, Guy, Pangburn, Rosebud, Damascus, Twin Groves, Shirley, Mount Vernon, Higdon. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Conway County in central Arkansas, Northern Faulkner County.
So, there we go. They issued a flash flood warning for Searcy, Clinton, Heber Springs, Greenbrier. So that would include the following counties and we're just gonna say following counties. I think that is all I know is it's White, Cleburne, Faulkner. That's it. Flash flood warning again. Around Searcy, I think White County.
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern White County in central Arkansas, southern Jackson County in eastern Arkansas, northern Woodruff County in eastern Arkansas, northeastern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, southern Independence County in north central Arkansas, until 11:45 a.m. At 8:38 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Possum Grape. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Augusta, Bald Knob, Newark, Pleasant Plains, Oil Trough, Concord, Russell, McNeese, Tupelo, Salado, Southside in Independence County, McFadden, Bradford, Beattyville, Weldon, Blackville, Almond, Theta, Hampton, Possum Grave. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
We're getting hit by like 50. That's a buffalo. A tree might fall. One doozy of a storm. Runner severe thunderstorm warning, guys. Here we go. Severe thunder.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern St. Francis County in eastern Arkansas, Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, Shelby County in West Tennessee, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pinckney, or 9 miles southwest of T.O. Fuller State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bartlett, South Haven, Collierville, Germantown, Olive Branch, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Fernando, Marion, Wilmington, Hughes, T.O. Fuller State Park, Beeman Shelby Forest State Park, Cordova, Memphis, Lakeland, Arlington, Walls, Crawfordsville, and Edmondson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 260 and 284. Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 22 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 5. Interstate 240 between mile markers 12 and 30. Interstate 55 in Arkansas between mile markers 1 and 28. Interstate 55 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 55 in Mississippi between mile markers 276 and 292. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Crittenden and St. Francis, in DeSoto, Mississippi, and Shelby, Tennessee.
we go.
The current time is The National Weather Service in Memphis has extended the flash flood warning for Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, Mississippi County in eastern Arkansas, Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Truman. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen with additional heavy rainfall expected. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, public reported. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jonesboro, Blytheville, Osceola, Truman, Gosnell, Manila, Marktree, Harrisburg, Brownell, Litchfield, Plato, Brooklyn, Monette, Caraway, Tyranta, Kaiser, Wander, and Jupiter. Turn around, look down when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning has been extended until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Craighead, Mississippi, and
653. I put in 8563.
flash flood warning room.
Flood, flash, flood, flash, flood. Can you everywhere? It's right here. Flash, flood, warning, flash, flood, warning, flash, 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 flood. Rough day down here in Arkansas. Eastern Arkansas is not having a good day. Oh, poor Lee. What do you mean, poor Lee?
Flood warning in effect until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. Replaces flash flood warning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall this morning is expected? Where? A portion of East Arkansas, including the following counties: Craighead, Poinsett. When? Until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. It will take several hours for all the water from these storms to work through local drainage systems in urban areas. Additional details: at 11:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported ongoing flooding in Truman due to thunderstorms. Flooding is already occurring. Between 3 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. While the heavy rainfall has ended, flooding concerns continue. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jonesboro, Blytheville, Osceola, Truman, Gosnell, Manila, Marktree, Harrisburg, Brownell, Lake City, Litchfield, Lepanto, Bay, Brooklyn, Monette, Caraway, Tyranta, Kaiser, Weiner, and Joyner. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
The end.
Flood watch in effect through this evening.